Turn around, young man. We're at the San Francisco School of Flower Design. Spectacular. Tilt that into the camera. Wow, wow, wow. Hold it still, right at my lens. Look at my lens, right there. Oh, don't move, don't move. How long have you been doing flowers?
3.5 days.
3.5 days. You just created a masterpiece. It really is. This guy has talent. What's your full name?
Joseph Park.
Spell your last name?
P-A-R-K.
He's oozing. You're about to bust loose. He decided to come here. He works at his family's cleaning service in San Francisco. And he decided to come here, and he's very serious about this, and now it just came out. He just turned into a designer before my eyes. He's going to take out a little pieces to show more flowers, but tilt in the camera one more time. It is like Park Avenue, New York City Lux.
Nice.
Very good. What do you plan to do with your talents?
Hotel lobbies, and now it's specialized in weddings. So I changed.
One more time in the camera before I leave it.
Hotel lobbies and
Right there, stop. Now tilt it towards me.
weddings.
Look at that. I said Park Avenue, Central Park South. Fat, juicy bridal bouquet coming down there. And I limited, pull that leaf off. Reveal a few more flowers, but it is a home run. Contestant number 2, may we see your bouquet, please? This black wall photographs these flowers nicely. Same version, only looser and wilder. How long have you been doing flowers?
A week.
A week. Tilt it down this way to the other way.
No. Oh, wait.
Towards the look at that. Spectacular. 2 home runs. Oh my God. If you did this in front of me and you came in my shop, I think you've been designing for 15 years. This is not easy to do. I don't know how my students do this. How do you explain this?
Great teacher.
Well, I always tell them, I know I'm a great teacher, I hear it every day, but I still can't explain how you just pulled that off.
Great teacher.
Both of these are top notch. Put them together. Joseph, turn around. I'm going to explain the difference. This is the formal one for Park Avenue in New York. This is the loosey-goosey one for the hills of San Francisco, the winery. Both the same flowers, 2 different styles. Traditional round, little flying, little weedy. Both. Joseph, separate yours a hair. Pull it back right there. There you go. Remarkable. I said if you came to my shop, you did this. I think you've been designing 15 years-ish, because this is what their work looks like. It's unbelievable. And I would hire you instantly.
Thank you.
And say, Joseph, I'm leaving town. You're doing all my weddings next week. Really, really gorgeous. What's the hardest thing you learned this week? Was there anything hard?
No.
Not really. No. The way I teach, everything is easy. Joseph, anything hard this week? Stellar.
Getting to class on time.
Getting what?
Getting to class on time.
Getting to class on time. I agree. That was your difficulty. Favorite flower?
Chrysanthemums.
Chrysanthemum?
Chrysanthemum.
I always talk about when you're designing in the East, chrysanthemums and irises are the big flower in Japan. And what is your favorite flower?
Rose.
Yeah, probably mine too.
Yellow rose.
And I also love stock and everything because it makes all my bouquets pretty. Yellow rose, that was my sister's favorite flower, Judy. And you live where?
San Mateo.
San Mateo. And you live in the city, right, Joseph?
I live in City Hall.
In City Hall. He lives in City Hall. I love these bouquets.
Very funny.
They are rock star good looking. Flowerschool101.com. The next class is when in San Francisco?
September 20th.
September 20th. Maybe I'll have these 2 back to help instruct. They're so damn good. Look at that pretty seeded uke. There's this Queen Anne's lace buried underneath the leaves. It's like a big fat bush grew out of your hands of mixed flowers.
How'd your wire go? I haven't done it.
He's just putting the finishing wraps on.
I knew like that. I was like, she's doing it.
Joseph, do me one favor. Hold it in front of your waist. Tilt it towards the camera. See, it's gigantic. It's a large bouquet, and that's what I love about it. It's perfect for the right fabulous woman in the right Vogue dress, Zach Posen dress coming down the aisle in New York City. Congratulations. Again, Flower School 101. Here we are in class. Wedding day. Ciao.
The problem with